Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I did buy previously the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 classic version, but it was a bit too big for me, so I returned it and got this one. This one is a 40mm, so hopefully this would look better on my small wrist. So let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the watch. Okay, so here we have the charging cradle. Okay, put that aside. And then in here we have the warranty card with all the information in different languages and a quick start guide. Okay, so let's look at the watch now. It's beautifully packed. It looks really nice. I love the matte belt. Let's take it out. This is Samsung's first watch running on Google's Wear OS. So here at the back you can see the sensor, and I'm not sure if you can see the writing, but it's very small. We can see it's detailed about the water resistant, 5 meter I believe. So the lugs are 20mm. You can change the belt by a different color if you want and swap it over. And then here you can see this belt is a size small to medium. It's actually quite nice. It has a soft touch to it, so it'll be comfortable to wear, and if you sweat it's not going to get stuck to your skin, which is nice. The screen is nice as well. The casing is Armour aluminium with 2-button digital bezel, and it has 361 mAh battery. Let's turn it on and see. One of the reasons why I wanted this is because it has Google Play Store, and the reason is because this watch runs Google Wear OS. You'll have access to a ton of apps, including loads of watch faces, something that was very limited to Samsung's Tizen OS. I actually bought this watch because I wanted to track my steps and track my health progress. So I'm going to select English United Kingdom, continue in English United Kingdom, yes. Okay, select country of region, okay, United Kingdom, restart. Okay, restarting now. I did actually previously buy the Galaxy Watch 4 classic version, but it was a bit too big for my wrist, so I returned it and bought this one, which is slightly smaller and less bulkier, so hopefully this will look better. Okay, here we are. Welcome. So the difference between this watch and the classic is that this one has a touchscreen bezel to rotate, whereas the classic one has a physical bezel that you could physically rotate. So the other one was much more thicker and bigger in size. So I'm gonna have to connect it to my phone. Connecting this to my Fold 2. So it's downloading the software. Okay, check the number on your watch. So confirm. Oh, it's downloading the software. Okay, 100% complete. Okay, so we're agreeing to continue. By continue, we agree to Samsung end user license. Yeah, we agree. Continue. Allow Galaxy Watch for Manager to access your calendar. Allow. Contacts. Allow phone call. Okay, we'll allow it. Allow. Okay, terms and condition, agree. Okay, it's getting the watch ready now. Okay, so it's found my account and it's saying if I want to continue as family create, so I'm going to say continue as family create. Okay, just copying my account. So I don't want to restore backup, I'm going to skip this. That's it, it's ready. You can see it says all set to go. Same on the phone as well, it's all ready. So let's open the phone up and see better. So we have here quick panels to access all parts of the watch that we need to, and then take it over your watch, start. Here we go. Let's quickly finish up looking at the watch. I haven't charged the watch yet. It's come with very little battery and it's very low, so you can actually turn on just the watch mode, so it consumes less battery. So I just want to show you, just coming up all this information that I don't need at the moment, but obviously it's good to know. That's it. Okay, enjoy your watch. So you can see all the different options you can get if you just move the bezel around. If you swipe down, you have the shortcuts to settings. You have more options. And if you swipe up, you get shortcuts to your apps. You can either keep going up or you can use the bezel to go around. Yeah, and then if you go this way, you get the notification. If you swipe to the left, you get shortcuts to your activity widget. You can monitor everything pretty much. So this watch is loaded with very interesting and useful health benefit features that you can use to track your walking, running, cycling, and a lot more. That's one of the main reasons why I went for this watch. Okay, sleep tracking, weather, calendar, blood pressure. Measure your blood pressure, so you don't need a separate blood pressure monitoring device anymore. You can monitor your heart, ECG. Yep, you can also check your heart rate, stress level, and so on. I'm sure you can add other features. This is a Bluetooth version, it's not LTE, so you can make and receive calls, check your messages out, reply to them, etc. Do all this if you have your phone nearby via Bluetooth. This one has many built-in watch faces, so you can see here. You can also customize them and change it to how you want it to look as well. So I think there's enough to meet everyone's taste. And this one has many display settings, so you can have auto brightness, you're always on display, and so forth. At the moment, I think, yep, at the moment it's on screen timeout at 15 seconds. Let's put it on always on display for the moment. Okay, so this display here is Super AMOLED, and the sizes go from 40 to 44 mm. This one is 40 and it weighs 25.6 gram. It has 1.5 gigabyte of RAM and 16 gig of memory. The casing is Armor aluminium, and the battery capacity is 361 mAh. Once I properly check it out, I'll get more of an idea. But at the moment, I'm liking so far what I'm seeing, and I can't wait to get started. So once I have a good play with it and used it for a while, I'll do a review of this watch. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and support us, and give it a like as well. I'm just going to try it on, see how it looks. The only thing I don't like about these watches is the fact that this just kind of really sticks out, but it's good that this one is a smaller size, so it doesn't look so bad. It looks much better on a smaller size. Okay, let's put the belt on. So there's quite a lot of holes, and you can actually, if you have a very small wrist, it will go more, it will go smaller. So I'll keep it on the 4th one. I think this is a comfortable fit, or I can even actually go one more if I wanted a tighter fit. And then in we go, tuck it in. It looks actually quite nice, and it tucks in really well. Not much of a gap here, and fits rather nicely. I would say it's a good size if you have a small wrist. Comment down below and let me know what you think. So guys, I bought some spare straps for the watch, and I put it on. It feels really good actually. They're 20 mm in size, and then it comes with 3 different colors, as you can see, and they actually feel really good. They're elasticated as well. That's the factory one, as you can see. These feels rather good. Anyway, what I'll do, I'll leave a link in the description box if anyone interested, for the belt as well as for the watch. So I just wanted to quickly show you the magnetic charger for the watch. It's not really very strong, so when I'm connecting, it connects, and if I leave it on charge, sometimes if it falls, it'll come off, so it's quite weak. Whereas the Apple one, I just want to show you quickly, the Apple charger, can you hear it? It literally holds the watch to it, and it's a much more stronger connection, so even if I leave it or drops, it will still stay connected. Whereas the Samsung one, it falls off. So just to give you an idea, in terms of charging, the connection seems to be much more stronger with the Apple than the Samsung. I'll leave a link in the description box, and you can check out for any information you want to know. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be doing a review of this watch soon, so please do subscribe and put your notification bell on. And if you found this video useful, please do give it a like. Once again, thank you so much. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.